Om Chi Sairam. Welcome to Sri Satyasai Lokaseva Gurukulam. Dear students, during the last session, we had studied the lesson Gentlemen of Rio and Medio by Juan Antoni Abad Sedillo. It is there in English second language, state syllabus 10th standard. And I had given you some assignments. All of you might have written it properly, those comprehensive questions. If you understand and write the question answers, you can give an attempt for 2 marks questions or reference to context also. See, you can check up whether you have written properly or not. How much time did it take for a negotiation? Answer, it took a few months for negotiation. Was the old man in a hurry? No, the old man was not in a hurry. What had the most? What had he the most? He had time the most. Where did the old man live up in? The old man lived up in Rio and Medio. How many years had his people been there? His people means ancestors. His people had been there for 100 years. Which land did he till? He tilled the same land which his people had tilled. How was his house? His house was small, wretched or unpleasant, and quaint. Where did the little creek run through? The little creek ran through his land. If did and run is there, you write ran in the answer. How was his orchard? His orchard was narrowed and beautiful. Now identify any two prepositions in paragraph. Answer in, of. Of means na, la, ra, ya, the. Avana, avala, avara, nayiya, and then marada, like that. Of. They are prepositions. Identify indefinite article in paragraph 1. An. The other one is a, but in the paragraph you can find only an. Identify infinitive in paragraph 1, the sixth form of that verb. Come, comes, came, come, coming, to come. So to come is infinitive. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. When did the old man come into the office? The old man came into the office on the day of the sale. How was his coat? His coat was old, green, and faded. Who was Senator Catron? Senator Catron was a government official from New Mexico during 1912 to 1917. What was the name of his old coat? The name of his old coat was Prince Albert's. How were his gloves? His gloves were old and torn. How was his cane? His cane was like a skeleton of a worn out umbrella. Who followed the old man? A dark young man followed the old man. Identify any two prepositions in the paragraph. Into and of. Whenever you read, you just identify those prepositions. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two. How did the old man greet the people in the office room? The old man greeted the people by bowing in the office room. How did he remove his hat and gloves? He removed his hat and gloves slowly and carefully. Who did he hand over the things? He handed over the things to the boy. Identify any two prepositions in paragraph 3. In and to. Identify any three adverbs in paragraph 3. Slowly, carefully, and obediently. The words which end with the ly normally are adverbs. Answer the following questions in a sentence or two each. What was the conversation about? The conversation was about rain and family. How did the old man feel about his family? The old man Felt. See, if did and feel is there, then you have to write felt. The old man felt proud of his large family. What did they finally started to talk about? They finally got down to business. What was the cost of 8 acres of land? The cost of 8 acres of land was $1,200. Who was sent to survey the land? The surveyor was sent to survey the land. What did the surveyor or the engineer tell? The surveyor told that the land was nearly 16 acres. Give the noun forms of converse, conversation, remember, remembrance, extend, extension, add, addition. 26th question. What did the old man do for a moment in thought? The old man hung his head for a moment in thought. What did the old man do then? The old man stared at the author. He looked fixedly at the author. Did the old man like the way of author speaking to him? No, the old man did not like the way of author speaking to him. 29th question we shall see. What kind of people were Americans according to the old man? According to the old man, Americans were good people. Did the old man raise the rate? No, the old man did not raise the rate. Did the storyteller offer more? Yes, the storyteller offered more. Did the storyteller fail to convince the old man? Yes, the storyteller failed to convince the old man. Was the old man a man of principles? Yes, the old man was a man of principles. Give the noun forms of argue, argument, refuse, refusal, agree, agreement. 33rd question. When had the author's friends moved into Rio and Medio? Author's friends moved into Rio and Medio in summer. Why did Americans return to the office? The Americans returned to the office to complain. Return means come back. What were the children doing? The children were overrunning the property. How did the children react to the Americans? The children only laughed and talked back good naturedly in Spanish. Give the noun forms of arrive, arrival, agree, agreement, complete, completion, possessing, possession. 37th question. Whom did the author send up to the mountains? The author sent a messenger up to the mountains. How much time did it take to arrange another meeting? It took a week to arrange another meeting. What did Don Anselmo repeat? Don Anselmo repeated his previous preliminary performances. 40th question. Who broached the subject? The author broached the subject. What was the complaint about the children? The complaint was that the children overran the orchard. What had Don Anselmo learned? Learned or learnt, both are same. Had is the helping verb, learned is the past participle form. Don Anselmo had learned or learnt to love Americans. What did he not sell to Americans? He did not sell the trees in the orchard to Americans. Who pleaded Don Anselmo? The author pleaded Don Anselmo. What happens when one signs a land deed? When one signs a land deed, everything that grows on the land belongs to the purchaser. Give the noun forms of possess, possession, admit, admission. Who was the oldest man in the village? Don Anselmo was the oldest man in the village. Who were his relatives there? All the children of Rio and Medio were his relatives. Who were all the children? The children were grandchildren of the old man. What did Don Anselmo do every time a child was born? He planted a tree every time a child was born. Who did the trees belong to? The trees belonged to, see, did belong, it becomes belonged. The trees belonged to the children of the village. Where did the railroad come? The railroad came to Santa Fe. It's a county, like a district. Why did the old man not sell the trees? The old man did not sell the trees because the trees were not his. Write the noun forms of generous, generosity. Give the adverbial form of legal, legally, individual, individually. Who owned the trees legally? The Americans owned the trees legally. Who was generous? The old man was generous. What did the Americans do next? The Americans began to buy the trees individually from the real owners. Please note, students should note it. Please study the entire lesson thoroughly. It would be good to answer all the exercises which are given in the textbook. Thank you.